Always take your shoes off before you get on any of the boats. Being family-owned and operated, we love having the entire family here at the show, but if you have little ones, keep them nearby for their safety. Don't use the heads on the boats at the show. Sometimes they might not even be functioning. Up on land, the show has official bathrooms that everyone can use. Most, if not all, exhibitors at the show require a broker to get on the boat, so don't just hop on the boat, have a salesman help you. Both the show and the exhibitors will thank you if you keep all your drinks and food on the docks before you get on the boats.